Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of your house for Vastu. First, you will need a precise floor plan of your entire home. Make sure to include all permanent structures. Next, visualize dividing this plan into a grid, perhaps a 9 by 9 section. This initial step helps you get a clear overview of your home's layout before calculating the exact center point. When your home isn't a perfect square or rectangle, you'll need to adjust. Imagine extending lines to complete the shape into a regular rectangle or square. Small projections or cuts, typically less than 1/3 of the side's length, are often ignored. However, enclosed balconies or attached garages should be included in your overall plan for accurate calculation. To find the exact center, draw two diagonal lines connecting opposite corners of your finalized rectangular floor plan. The point where these two lines intersect is your home's Vastu center, also known as the Brahmastan. You can then use a plumb bob or a measuring tape to accurately mark this spot on your actual floor, ensuring precision. The Vastu center, or Brahmastan, is incredibly significant as it's believed to be the heart of your home, radiating vital energy. Keeping this central area open and free from clutter is crucial for promoting positive energy and harmony throughout your living space. Avoid placing heavy objects or permanent fixtures directly on this spot to maintain optimal balance and flow.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.